Hi everyone, my name is Gogul and today I'm going to show you how to set live wallpapers on your Windows PC. So let's get started. The first step is to click on the Lively Wallpaper official link in the description below. Once you are on the page, click on this download button and then click on installer. Then save the file to your computer. After the download is complete, open the downloads and then double click on the downloaded executable file. You will see a small window like this. Click on install for me only. Then click on OK. You will see an installer window like this. Click on next and then select the I accept the agreement option and click next, next and next and then click on install. After the installation is complete, click finish. You will see a window like this. To set a live wallpaper, all you have to do is click on it. And if you want to customize the active live wallpaper, click on the active wallpapers in the upper right side of the window. Then you will see a screen like this. And then click on this paint palette button. Then change the settings according to your preferences. And then click OK. The changes should now appear in the active wallpaper. Also a side note, if you want to remove the wallpaper, all you have to do is click on this exit button. If you don't like any of these wallpapers, go to mylivewallpapers.com and find one that you like. And then click on this download button and save the file to your computer. Then open the Lively Wallpaper app and then click on this plus button. Then click on this open button and then browse to where you saved the recently downloaded wallpaper and then select it. Then click open. You will see a small window like this. Then click OK. Wait for a few seconds. That's it. Let's take a look. Just like this wallpaper, some of the wallpapers in mylivewallpapers.com have sound. So if you don't want that, all you have to do is go to the active wallpapers and then click on the paint palette button and then check the mute box and then click OK. That's it. You can also turn normal static wallpapers into live wallpapers using this app. If you want to do that, click on this plus button and then click advanced. Then click depth wallpaper. Now select the wallpaper you want. I'm gonna select this image. Then click open. Now you will see a screen like this. Click on download. Once the download has completed, click on the continue button. Then wait for a few seconds. That's it. Let's take a look at the wallpaper. You can also customize the interactivity of this wallpaper just like I showed you before. Go to the active wallpaper section and then click on the paint palette button and then change the settings according to your preferences. Then click OK. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions about the Lively Wallpaper app, please leave them in the comments below.